Hi everyone, it's Miss Allison from the Field Library back to teach you another craft. Today I will be showing you how to make a picture frame out of a cereal box. Since Father's Day is just around the corner, this craft is a great gift for that special father figure in your life. So let's get started.
Step 1. Look around your home and collect materials. As always, please make sure to ask an adult first if you can use these materials for crafting. You will also need an adult present for the beginning part of this craft. Gather an empty cereal box, scissors, glue, and a ruler. Next, grab decorating supplies. This could be stickers, colored pencils, markers, crayons, or even paint. Step 2. Flatten your cereal box completely. Cut one of the sides off so that it is easier to work with. You can use the extra bits of the box to cover and protect your workplace. From there, take your ruler and measure out the outer dimensions of your picture frame. Your picture frame can be any shape and can be as big or as small as you'd like. My frame is a rectangle. Its outer measurements are 5 inches by 8 inches. Step 3. Once you have finished drawing your frame with an adult present, cut it out. You should now have a solid shape. Step 4. Now that your shape is cut out, in my case it is a full rectangle, you will need to measure the inside. My inside measurements are 1 inch by 3/4 inches. This will create a second, smaller rectangle inside the bigger one. You will need to cut out the smaller rectangle after drawing out the dimensions. Step 5. This next step is difficult, and I recommend having it done by an adult. Gently fold your picture frame in half and use your scissors to cut on the fold. From there, an incision will be made on the inside. You will use your scissors to cut along the incision so that you can cut out the inside rectangle. When you are done, the center should be empty and reveal your picture frame. Step 6. Your frame is done, and now it's time to decorate. You can color, paint, doodle, or design patterns all over your frame. Add stickers, glitter, or pictures. It's your picture frame, so you can make it as detailed or as minimal as you want. It's up to you, so have fun creating something unique. Once you are done decorating, add a picture or a drawing for your dad. This craft is a great way to show your dad how much you care for him. And there you have it, a homemade gift for your dad. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I hope you have a lot of fun making your own picture frame. Thank you for watching and listening, and check back out our channel for more fun programs, story times, and craft tutorials to come. Happy Father's Day!